Right, we're asked to find the solution set for this compound inequality. What this requires us to do is simply solve each of these inequalities and then combine them with this statement right here, and, which in this case means an intersection. All right, so here we go. Let's solve this first one. What I'm going to do is move these numbers here to the right-hand side by subtracting 9 to both sides. And then I'm going to add 5x to both sides. Giving us x, or 1x, is greater than -4. Okay, so that's my solution set for the first inequality. For the second inequality, a little more work here. I need to first distribute this 2 through the parentheses here. So I'll get -2x plus 10 minus 6, which is greater than or equal to 4x plus 10. And then I'm just going to combine like terms over here on the left-hand side of the equation, the 10 and the -6. So I get -2x plus 4 is greater than or equal to 4x plus 10. And then what am I do? I'll subtract 4 from both sides, getting 2x, -2x is greater than or equal to 4x plus 6. Then I will subtract 4x from both sides. I got -6x is greater than or equal to 6. Finally, divide both sides by -6. And I get x is less than or equal to -1. A really important part of solving that right there was that when I divided by the -6 here, when I divide by a negative or multiply by a negative number, I have to flip my inequality sign. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these two sets. I'm going to graph x is greater than -4. So let me graph that. It's strictly greater than -4. And this other set over here is less than or equal to -1. So -1, including -1, and then less than. And then what I need to do is I need to decide on this intersection of those two sets. This is an and, so it means the intersection. I'm looking for the numbers that are in both of these sets. If you look at the number line, that's visually the part of the number line that's covered by both of these sets. So here between -4 and -1, this is the intersection. These are the numbers that are in both of the sets. And because -1 is included in both sets, I'm going to put a closed circle there or include it. And since -4 is not included in the first set, the greater than -4 set, it's not included. And so therefore, this solution to this, or the intersection of these two sets, would be from -4 to -1. -1 is included and -4 isn't included.